Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom ya Etwani go engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yigakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate time tembo abo bagokolembere mu ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwa chikala bunabonelia chako gray, brick red, tile red, maroon, sky blue na boigo na green obutambe gwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores yego toka se enyumba ya ouru complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simigwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Kionga chinsainye na ndekaro bwirubia anonsia sole karibu gatukoyamanyi eki gyakorekanire ime nesko yagusi tokoyamanyi botantani bondo bonse batayansemo yomenyererio akorokwa Nel Wilson Makori chengoro kwa mkate enok karibu naya na tokwariganiri semarwa bega Metinye tano netato yoka magega yogo choro kwa warai be factory yemo asensemo ya nyakwe ya kemeri igie kawa nigolit kulia lero kungsano konene kweneke gati ya babisa abe kemeliekyo ba be cooperative society kurwa se county Kisii na bali mbense meyo unadipo na sanya agutumanya
Oburemi na bobo tamero guchesa babenya bange anene ime yorogongo rwa Gusii asege karo kia baremi bekemeligie kawa ime ye society ya Nyakoe FCS nige burabura yana kiwaga tia baremi amo nabarai be committee
Taniko de Masogori youth representative Nyakoe Farmers Cooperative Society yaroga igatuwa ate a general meeting yarengete kokora amangana briefing inkikia gendreir ase committee ya chore tu mwaka ulio 2024 mutini ikomi lakini bunatuacha gaiga officers from the cooperative mbaikaga au batakirikora o mukutano uyu pamoja na committee lakini ekero yekanga basde mimba taka komanyanga inga kichibes chigo tumeka anya arako baba gusario mukutano aso go dictate nga ninki geta kiriko bori kiagara abaigwana ine bamanyite nga kichibese chia sogatigwe
kuna bana chibese chiarwe wetira ose machine go sichikawa chibese cho nga siringirwa musini ntoro chesi chichete machine gete neine omo oya chore bana ngana ro murayo ito akara ko boguri chikagu na pigipigi oira kyogo
unenchera yamo yokogirira obwene bwabaremi ngobono barorekana kugikeria obotumeki bobe bweni bo
lise kagu muno ga yeye bwene to kubundisha abaremi ngakiba bwene to kusimike kawa ngakiba bwene to kuburugure kawa egere konye to Gusii yagenderere yora kumi norusana mogende mate mugundo se chibandu chisimikire omo bisolyo chita mo director chita gari tangani yakani tagatamo kawende bando chinde chibasu simike mugundo gaiga
committee ero roboniga igegende te bado gutameranga bali barueto lakini bali ko toeresa ninki gekogera chibando chisimekire ase cooperative society gaiga obolemo botakere gokonya abalimi
maiga yaje asomokia bokumwikera omunyakerogo bwe society ya Morris Mariaria nigaba gakoerera ekiringa kiegekari kikeritukeriga engana bono yabagekoreta ogwetana gwechimeme
lero igotwa bwata mangana akoro kweye budget yale gosomwa ase Nyakoe yeito nabuna mumanyete bire budget na be machine ira abete basakogenderera ekiagera lichiko ligoteba nga igobone igwenete gustenenibwa ase igo ekero twaikera nabalemi bonsi twamana konyora abantu bandi mbaro batandstand tinga ngiya toreto twamana konyora igo bagendererete kubitereria basomerwe budget eyeri nakoreire gasi kuri umutinyu 10 lichiko igo teba inchebuna nasoete bona igo mwako uyu mutinyu 10 na lie bintu byane byale koba auditing indendo lekanenga kinatumegete chibese iga bono chibese nchia cha dividend chia chicha 1700 tukachinyora chirebengi tukarusiororo buna chikawa cheito chia chete chigatene na matuka amange kurumagiga ntu agenda tukagwititiro chibese icho tukareta tugakana abakori emeremo emetienyi ebere ese chinde chikalo ketiwa chikagenda ase machine yeito ya Nyakoe main yesaregete 50,000 chibese chinde chikamana kualoketiwa society wise 30,000 each echichigo chikorosia ebitanda
ngobono babolirie a serikali gwesone na kokonya abalimi nabo igokuboria abarai kotaunereria abalimi asogutumeke nibo yabo bobe
kerogo gieito kerito gocha tweguga kia main ngaikia one tukugocha 120,000 so ntwabalimi ntori gocha konya kubwati mono lakini twagwe kerogo gie
toko boliga nintu tomobege to igagane to gotoibera muanche
kuripotire gataseni kia ukio Getembe kuruega Nyakoe FCS egotukimeye wodi ya bogeka ebunge ya kitutu cha Sauti iretera na enkoro kwa dipon hasanya
Miamano dipo na sanya kurwa sense meyo nekero tokenda sense moyende aba kuri mirimo ba Universal Health Coverage ose UHC nigo babaserere chikogenda omugiro yemagega ya serikali koira busio okuliko kwabo permanent na pensionable ose kulikiwa kigima ase babateba buna serikali tibatakiriti ayaramaya solidarity forever and the union makes us strong. Tunataka BNP
UHC power! UHC power!
We met here in the morning following the communication that was made by the ministry that we come for verification of documents. So we had an interaction with our deputy governor and a representative from the COG. Our expectation then is that we wanted this process of transition to take effect almost immediately. Unfortunately, we received very disheartening and devastating information that the budget that was allocated is only for the stipend that we are receiving currently. For sure, it has been a tug of war. So we are disgruntled and we are really unhappy because of the way the government is taking us back and forth.
I want to believe government works with seamless information from every agency. Information cannot be changing from time to time. And we are asking them that this time round, if they don't find a line in which they follow, if everyone comes with their own information, we will stay on strike until they know what they want for us.
So after this exercise, what we expect is nothing less than PNP. So if you expect us to come to your office every day, every week, we will be there until you give us PNP.
Abamenyi n'abaonchereria b'echiro ya Lyang'ombe imeyesise ward ase a constituency ya Borabu beye county ya Nyamira niko baburirie koroserwa echiro ekarichire iyo nigere ase abe na niko baburirie oborai bwe county government ya Nyamira na boigo a constituency level gweteraso mojumbe obo omoske Patrick Osero kana kinga baba roseirie echire iyo
bamenya baiga kurwasi chirega ya Lyang'ombe nigo bagendere ko bakwemungarire kubatikana mono gutigwa magiga wake magenderero na nene gukini wa bwechire yiga egento baburire omo MC bwechinseme chigasireta Josiah Mang'era kubatina mone county elio ukinya echire yiga
uri no mwijana twasabire twarerire butambe tutagete echirebe lakini tiana koba gaba nurorora gacha gatoe ejo era na torosereti bona tukumetie ejo nere chiro twaburire boire bateba ngamangana ingo chale limo baga oya maga tatebia Jumatano tige chirebe Jumatano ni kawaida ye chire kare gutangaswa iga abantu bakubika yani kurwa account kango babegete chigari cyaba maguta linde batangase para gwetanga Lyang'ombe market irabe Jumatano ayita beti lakini akwane to mungu sanga chiro yansire Jumatano paka waleo na korore chire yigente yansete
kulingana na Borabu nigo bagendere ko bakubole chitaya kubekwa sajiga yindukira abairire echire yiga gutwara bolinde kinga cyamaragoba na boigo echire yiga kugitwa unenchire yemo yo kugendera gukinya ubonchiri bwabo
era onyendiria achete omo MCO yatobeka mo atebe nganyarebe na rubekire iga bono muntu agopiki onde bwensi atebu ngaye no isaini bono kango ntumanyaine bono nonya na baturoro gusibari tutenenirete eturabo saigo ekogera okoika kwarosa nge ikorora nono korora yekomurika buna agasimi akakane kamurika mwisi kinsa gagwo kansa 12 timeti asege goika gyagenda gucheka reri nachi
asinsema yende nigo bakwanira obwibo bwo bwagende ko bakwanikyo kura sinseme chiga egento batugire omujumbe bworogongore iga muske Patrick Osera soko bagolera ebintu bagutanga obwibi obwiga azabagende ko bakubulira abanyakenyero koba maiso eri gutanga obwibi na nene bwetugo korwase orogongoro iga
ekera igwete ngamangana yega yobwibi abukire oimokirie getambukiro kerekia sana mono oimokia saba murabe gasingicho bamaitenga naba murabe rueta soko kore milime yabo obairo ko bagorera chitochi iria karasi bagweta butuko bakomorekerwa obagorire chikabuti obagorire chibuti
ale gotokonya tonyorekera obweki buna bono bwibwe chiombe nono mwibye kerago etia eng'ombe na bako agusanga kiagera kero bekie kumulikare Omweshimiwa karanyore libagerio anyore ekerobo ekina bagotokonya
egento togosaba nkeria abantu aba bonsi bororo bichinkoro chiabo ekerobo orobi nintutorisiko torendete nturi goita muntu busa
omweli oye niga bamanya abega bagendeko bagokwanira chikanisa wesora nigatina gutanga okurobekana kukwagendereko bagokwanikigwa egati abasaye ba Gen Z abo korengana muna barabo babwenete konyora oborosubya bwechikanisa elio gutanga amabe ayo akoretwa muno kurobekana kwe ekigori kiga ya Gen Z.
abana baito tiga baekeye abana baito tiga baigwere egere obogima nobuya kobwagokwa tutagitima kweri
tiga toteme gukwanira abana baito nyendiri bachi gotwanja egere abana abairanese ebintu bibwenere na mono kegima egere ngokwanira chikanisa na chichigwanete gosambia abana buna abachirangeria abana
Egingo report ligetasini kya obwanjete kya Getembe kurugiga sinseme chiga chia lya ng'ombe eyo gutuka meye sise ward ebungane ya borabu county Nyamira inchego nguru kwa Polycarp okara
Karato kurugabiria ng'ombe ime ye constituency ya borabu ime ya Nyamira county tokana mpaka sebungane ni ya senate wasirit kuligoro bamotoliti mugavana bwe county ya Isiolo Abdi Guyo kurwa goserigo kurwa service skurusi bwa bisi asomswado libo kumrusio bisi.
To the process of the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan as governor of Isiolo County.
Ebunge ye Senate nigo yereteri bagari aye asomuswada boko murusia abisio mugabana we county ya Isiolo Abdi Guyo yo igetigwe asebunge yue na ba MCA be county yue kubatakana no muswada boko murusia abisi.
Council invited the Senate to conduct a preliminary inquiry by way of trial within a trial in Limine with a view to establishing the authenticity of the Hansard reports.
Gekarekyo nigo kirete enga kentambe asaba wakili bae basabete bunge ya Senate kurigereria omurobere bwo murusia abisi goseno ikranitiri chiko.
Senators, you will know the role of the clerk in the business of the house and is a person likely to know whether the house sat or not in two respects. Number one, when he is physically present, and number two, as the custodian of the official records of the house. He says by reference to both records.
Ase yababetereriti gwakachikura lyokoranga gose aba MCA bumba ikranitiri chiko asabono aba seneta 30 noyomo bagete kura asogota banga tibaikranitiri chiko asokumurusi abisi ase komina babere bagete gosaba Senate kogendera no muswado yue.
Accordingly, the preliminary objection raised by the council for the governor will be determined by a vote of the Senate. The procedure for proceeding to this vote will by a motion in the usual manner, and accordingly terminates the proceedings for the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the governor of Isiolo County.
Urinde omuraibu abange asebunge yue Aaron Cheriot kubaterana na baraibande buna ombosereta bwe county ya Isiolo Fatuma Dulo baharogete otakokigwo kwabo ase ogotagendera ku muswado yubo bwo kumurusia abisi Guyo kiribate betenga no kubalina obwene bw'abantu be county ya Isiolo.
Hearing at a PO level if this motion was to pass as is, Mr. Speaker. The first one was in the case in Kericho. This will be the second time. I don't believe, Mr. Speaker, that that is justice. Justice shouldn't be that simplistic. I believe, Mr. Speaker, that at the very least, Mr. Speaker, we owe the people of Isiolo a chance to listen to them.
Or the assembly didn't sit, or what? I wish the people who are negatively talking about the assembly, they should have known what they have gone through. Some of them, they have almost lost their lives in the circumstance. Mr. Speaker, there are people who are saying the sitting didn't take place here. The circumstance under which the assembly sat was actually...
Korengana na bawakili bomo governor Guyo nigo bagoteba omurobere bwo kumurusia abisi tugikranitiri chiko buna bono oba MCA tibabu atibo shahidi wokorokianga mbabu atege karo gyo kumurusia abisi omo governor Guyo.
There were no sittings of the county assembly, and that affidavits of the deponents in the proceeding indicated that there were no sitting of the county assembly.
Gwekera bono iganigo omugavana Guyo aragende kutikara abisi buno omugavana bwe county ya Isiolo asege kagetigarite gwekera obochori obonene bwo mwaka o 2027 Kuripoteri ya Getembe, Inchen Sam Miyenda.
Ekero twakore korwa bwase ebunge ye Senate omorai bwe kiama kirigia DCP bwegukabere omokonyi bw'omorai bwense ya Kenya Rigathi Gachagua nigo amomochirie omorai bwense ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto asekeria abateba no gotabaikirania abakenya magani abo ni chira chiria barirete chingaki chichi campaign.
I've seen Ruto quivering and wailing in uncontrollable anger. Mr. Ruto, excessive anger is not a solution. I want, with a lot of humility, to advise you to stop being angry. That will not help. You need to know what you need to do because you have not been listening to the people of Kenya. The people of Kenya are more angry than you are. They are angry because you have overtaxed them. There is wanton corruption. There is abductions and extrajudicial killings. There is ethnic profiling and other ills that bedevil your administration. If you want to be calm, please abolish the housing levy and give dignity to the payslip. I have heard you saying that you cannot give jobs to the young people. Please restore the dignity of the payslip. Restore the capacity of the middle class. The middle class will give jobs to these young people. Stop killing and profiling the young people. Listen to them. Stop abductions and extrajudicial killings. Abolish, disband the killer squad of 101 officers at Danudin Haji. Give hustlers the jobs that you promised them. Mr. William Ruto, you are the one who promised. You cannot cry today that you have no solution, saying that other presidents have not been able to do it. You are the one who promised these young people. Stop police brutality. Stop abductions and illegal detentions. Get the hustlers from the bottom of the economy.
Yomarandusie ase kirogo kyoborai bwense ya Kenya ekaro chikora chira kwechia 2027 gose chiribo bere na 2025 aina mangana yomarai bwense ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto chingaki abamochire biara bali bakomereria serikali na batebanga ba motemire na bono bo lemerere bwaye bwikire ensinyo
na kama wako na mpango si tukutane 2027 watengeneze sera yao tukutane na hawa 2027. Njia ya mkato hapa katikati hakuna. Tumekubaliana watu wa Nairobi. Yes. Na wasikie vizuri. Wasikie vizuri. Na waelewe. Tumekubaliana Nairobi. Mnasema tuendelee na kufanya kazi. This country will not be destroyed by a few people who are impatient and who want to have a change of government using unconstitutional means. It is not going to happen. And I want to tell them it is not going to happen. Sijui kama tunaelewana. Tumeelewana? Yes. Na kama walikuwa wanafikiria ile walikuwa wanafikiria, wafikirie tena. Because mimi nimenyamaza, mimi nimewavumilia, lakini mahali imefika. Enough is enough. I want to say that for the avoidance of any doubt. Sijui kama tumeelewana jameni. Tumeelewana? Wacha nirudie. Those who attack our police, those who attack our security men and women, those who attack our security installations, including police stations, that is a declaration of war. That is terrorism. We are going to deal with you firmly. Tumekubaliana? Hii haiwezekani. We cannot have a nation that is run by terror. We cannot have a nation that is governed by violence. We cannot. And it will not happen under my watch. Tumekubaliana, my friends? Tafadhali watu wa Nairobi tuheshimiane bwana. Si kila mtu tuheshimiane? Tuheshimiane. Sisi wote ni wa Kenya. Allah. Ama namna gani? No.
Chinga kichicho nigo kemochire kigambiro asogwe sona ni nobo koleri bobonyanyimbo imeyenze.
Na tuheshimu nchi ya Kenya. Sisi ni watu ambao tunafuata katiba. Tunafuata katiba. Na katiba inasema iko haki ya kila Mkenya. Hata nimeona ati leo ati kuna mtu kotini amesema ati Inspector General ya police asiweke roadblock, ati asitumie tear gas, asitumie water cannon kuprotect mali na maisha ya Wakenya wengine. Na huyo mwenye anasema hiyo, kwake kuna askari wanamchunga, kwa gari yake iko askari anamuendesha, alafu anasema mali ya wananchi wengine haina maana, polisi wasichunge mali ya wananchi wengine. Honestly, how can anybody say that the police cannot protect the lives and properties of other Kenyans? There is a reason why there is a roadblock. There is a reason why police have tear gas. There is a reason why water cannons are there. They are supposed to be used to protect the lives and property of other Kenyans when they are in danger. So a person who already has security in his house, guarded by the police, in his car, driven by the police, is telling us the property of other Kenyans is not worth being protected by the police.
Nyoe rero riarenge rituko igoro ni rituko rorio na ankyo ni rituko utko bia bali ba bwaterana mono intoko enekia nga twaba yamanyiri onspiko rachinsemo a imenesko yagusi seme yamanyiria akorokwa Wilson Makori Kevin ngeno anga moinaria kwa na kichibiche na mariugia gocheruya chengoro kwa mkate Enoch ubutkoya nyasaye tatakora akolenda goseseni wikachinga kichu Getembe na Mbeyamo.
Omurigereria bugekera mukimaise kia Getembe litkoria rero iyo tugochi kutwara obosemia bwa mwanyagiti bwa obosemi bwa mwamugusi tugochi kukwanire goro ya mangana ariye kigusi arengeta abantu baita bwese momenyete na abantu nore nense yitingima Kenya. Buna bono tote bana ki kwambwatiri mangana baraguri batarutenje iganki ngenjo yaye okobekerwe ngana abantu bajikuriga yengane yarenge kumbe teyo ngakingane ngakimwate beteiga ngayane royo yatariere kwambwatiri mangana baraguri batarutenje kara baraguri mbarengo abamanyia mangana bona mangana arendo kono kubwati abantu ense amabweta ayi no yaroje mwambwatiri mangana baraguri batarutenje igorenda sante ono kubwati abantu mangana atabarengeti nando mugusia gatebana ki na atumire chenge mangana ngusamise kale kanogo chetaracha engana nere tutamanyeti tukanyete ngatigeche aikwa makona ko yaka kaninga ineriga etarachi ne ikirana engana karaye takuna karaye manyaboronge na atumire chenge mangana ngusamise kanogo teracha angakyaje gotanganira chenge naye chenge yaya na atumire chenge mangana ngusamise kale kanogo chetaracha
Eduka ya obomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu bilia bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boygo chire chichi brand au ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo au punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiria chia mache inyoranga chirangie chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iriria gatigati gwikari guri ria bantabatinu moigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochogane chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na wokwege namuna ekale awatagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chebiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
I'm on